What happens to your body when you eat figs, ANGEER, every day? Fresh or dried, fruits are a delicious and nutritious snack. Certain fruits are categorized as superfruits because they provide more health benefits than the average fruit. Figs and acai berries are examples of such superfruits. Below are some of the amazing health benefits associated with figs. 1. Manages blood sugar levels. Dried figs have the potential to regulate blood sugar levels by stimulating the production of insulin in the body. Consuming fig leaf tea may also aid in maintaining optimal blood sugar levels. However, it is important to note that dried figs are significantly higher in sugar and calories than fresh figs or fig teas. While dried figs still possess numerous health benefits, it is essential to consider the elevated sugar content that comes with consuming dried fruit. 2. Helps maintain blood pressure. Whether consumed in a dried or fresh form, figs are abundant in potassium, which is beneficial in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. This is due to the fact that potassium helps regulate the levels of sodium, which can have adverse effects on the body if consumed excessively in salty foods. Additionally, potassium aids in the stimulation of nerve and muscle function, improves blood circulation, and widens blood vessels, all of which help in reducing high blood pressure. 3. Promotes good heart health. As we have previously mentioned, figs aid in the regulation of blood sugar levels, which alone provides benefits to the heart. However, there is more to their heart-healthy benefits. While studies are ongoing, figs have been shown to lower high levels of blood cholesterol and blood fats. When combined with their ability to lower blood sugar levels, figs can significantly contribute to promoting good vascular health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. In fact, incorporating dried figs into your diet may greatly reduce your risk of heart disease. 4. Optimizes digestion. Figs are a rich source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Not only does fiber promote digestion, but it also helps to reduce cravings. Consuming foods that are high in calories but low in nutrients can leave us feeling unsatisfied and hungry shortly afterward, leading to further unhealthy food cravings. In contrast, fiber-rich foods like fruits and vegetables leave us feeling full for longer periods while providing essential nutrients for good health. There are many high-fiber foods available, and figs are among the best options. 5. Works to prevent constipation. Figs have been used as a traditional remedy for constipation for centuries. These fruits are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which helps to soothe irritated intestines and acts as a natural laxative. Eating a serving of dried figs can provide relief from the discomfort of constipation. However, it is important to note that figs have a diuretic effect, so consuming them in large quantities when not constipated may lead to diarrhea and other stomach upsets. Therefore, it is recommended to consume figs in moderation if you are not seeking their laxative properties. 6. Good for gaining weight and muscle. It may appear contradictory to what we have previously discussed about figs aiding in weight loss. However, the type of fig you consume can significantly impact your body. Fresh figs offer a low-calorie, high-fiber, and nutrient-rich snack. Conversely, dried figs are much higher in calories, such as ANGEER, which isn't ideal for many people. Nevertheless, for bodybuilders, athletes, or individuals striving to achieve a well-sculpted physique, a balanced amount of dried figs, when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, can aid in weight gain and muscle building. 7. Aids weight loss. Achieving weight loss can be challenging, and it is essential to consume the appropriate foods. Figs are a rich source of fiber and other nutrients and are effective in suppressing appetite, primarily because of their high fiber content, which makes you feel fuller for longer. Incorporating such foods into your diet can help manage cravings and snacking caused by boredom. However, it is crucial to remember that you should not consume only figs throughout the day. As part of a balanced diet, it is recommended to eat approximately 2 to 3 figs a day. While dried figs make a tasty snack, they contain more calories and are higher in sugar than fresh figs. 8. Builds healthy bones as a good source of calcium. Getting enough calcium into our bodies can be a challenge. Humans require approximately 1,000 milligrams of calcium daily, and this is primarily dependent on our dietary intake. Although milk is a well-known source of calcium, it may not provide the recommended daily calcium levels. However, fresh figs can serve as an excellent alternative to meet your calcium needs as they are rich in this nutrient and promote good bone health. In addition to promoting bone health, calcium can also contribute to good dental health. 9. Soothes symptoms of IBS. IBS, also known as irritable bowel syndrome, has the potential to cause significant impairment as it results in stomach discomfort, bloating, and alternating episodes of diarrhea and constipation. It is advisable to limit fig consumption in case of diarrhea, but in other cases, up to 4 dried figs per day may alleviate stomach discomfort and bloating. Figs are a well-known remedy for constipation and can be consumed fresh, dried, or as fig paste. Additionally, consuming hot ANGEER leaf tea can serve as a natural solution to soothe the bowels. 10. Provides a good source of energy. The abundance of nutrients such as potassium, calcium, fiber, vitamin K, and more in both dried and fresh figs contribute significantly to maintaining good health in our bodies. As the saying goes, we are what we eat, and consuming nutritious food provides us with the energy we need. Dried figs are a great choice for an on-the-go snack, while fresh figs are an ideal way to start your day. The benefits of good digestive and heart health that figs offer are rewards in themselves. 11. Aids menstruation and sexual health. Figs possess properties that can aid in supporting reproductive health and alleviate related problems such as low stamina levels and erectile dysfunction. Dried figs are even commonly referred to as an aphrodisiac fruit. However, it is important to note that these issues may have underlying causes that require medical attention. Moreover, fresh figs and fig leaf tea have also been observed to alleviate menstrual issues such as PMS, cramping, nausea, constipation, or heavy flow. 12. Treats insomnia. Inadequate or insufficient sleep can have a profound impact on all aspects of an individual's life. To induce sleep, dried figs, also known as dry ANGEER, are considered a beneficial food due to their sleep-inducing properties. Figs also promote blood circulation, which is vital for achieving a restful and uninterrupted sleep. Alternatively, drinking a cup of fig leaf tea before bed may have a calming effect on individuals suffering from insomnia. However, consuming excessive amounts of figs before bedtime is not recommended, as it may lead to the well-known laxative effect of figs and cause individuals to wake up frequently during the night. 13. Good for skin and hair health. The state of a person's internal health is often reflected in their external appearance. Conversely, poor health can manifest in the quality of the hair, skin, and nails. Figs, whether in tea form or otherwise, can provide numerous benefits to help individuals achieve healthy and glowing skin, as well as glossy hair. For instance, fig fruit extract cream may help combat aging and address skin conditions like dermatitis due to its antioxidant properties. Fig extract is also a common ingredient in many commercial hair products, helping to improve hair moisture and reduce frizziness. Apart from promoting skin health, figs contain antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can hydrate and rejuvenate the skin, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. ANGEER extract is used in some facial washes and scrubs due to its healthful properties, and a DIY fig paste face mask can give the skin a beautiful and youthful glow. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.